जोर से बारो बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की। गुड मॉर्निंग everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers, parents and dear students. First of all, thank you for giving me this beautiful opportunity on this special occasion, 15th of August, Independence Day. As we know, we are celebrating 78th Independence Day in our country. We got freedom on this day. There were many Indian freedom fighters who fought against Britishers and got freedom. There were Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Veer Bhagat Singh, etc. Friends, we listen every time on every national festival that India, we listen about the freedom of India and the freedom fighters of India. But have you questioned that? Have you questioned yourself that we got freedom in our life? Are we free mentally? If you ask this question to your soul, the answer will be no. But today on this special occasion, I want to give you a message by a little story that you listen carefully. There was a boy who was walking by the river. There was another boy who was sinking in the river. The mother of the boy was crying, shouting loudly and asking for help. But nobody was there to help. Nobody was there. Mother was crying, somebody help, somebody help. But at there, nobody was there to help her son. The boy who was walking by the river listened the voice of the crying mother and he immediately ran towards the river. As soon as he saw the sinking boy, he jumped blindly into the river and saved the boy. He caught a boy. He caught a sinking boy.